You bring value to the marketplace with your skill and dedication. Each day, you do something that deserves ample payment. See yourself now doing what you do best, all the while getting paid for it. Feel the worth of the work you do. Know that others are benefiting in some way right now from your efforts. Great. Now bring into your mind's eye the image of sitting in front of your computer screen and go to your bank account to check your balance. The bank statement that is shown in your account is more than you ever expected to earn in your lifetime. See this number in a very precise amount, clearly written below your name, an account that is all yours. You see your transactions, noticing how there is much more money coming in the positive than there is being spent. You have made enough money to support your family and buy you anything you want. But there is more that you want to do with this money than just buy things. You have a deep desire to help others. You are generous. And with this generosity, the universal energy feels your power of contribution. And so in turn, you are given even more money from your efforts. It seems that each thing you do brings more cash flow your way. You are literally a money magnet. Being awarded with financial abundance has made you more giving than you could have ever imagined. Now say to yourself these affirming statements for financial prosperity. I bring value to the marketplace, granting me large amounts of cash. I make more money than I can spend. Financial abundance is my way of life.